Alright, so what we got here is a Porsche Cayenne 2024, and what we've done is we've installed the Ghost to Immobiliser system on this vehicle to stop it from being stolen. What's going to happen is if a thief copies or clones your key, they will not know your PIN code, so this makes it impossible for them to steal the vehicle. If they do get in the vehicle, they turn it on and they try to put it into gear, the vehicle will shut down. So if you don't enter the code, you're not able to drive it. The vehicle is fully immobilized. So what you got to do, you need to enter your code when you get in the vehicle to be able to drive the vehicle. So it's set to a demo button at the moment. 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you enter the code, you get 2 flashes from the indicators, and now you can turn the vehicle on as normal. And when I put it into gear, you can see and drive, the vehicle does not shut off. If you want the Ghost to installed on your Porsche Cayenne, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.